Are you looking to future-proof your business while cutting costs? Low-voltage wiring and structured cabling might just be the solution you need. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable and efficient cabling system is crucial for any business. Low-voltage wiring and structured cabling not only enhance communication but also improve safety and scalability. Let's dive into why your business should consider these essential systems. Low-voltage wiring refers to electrical systems that operate at 50 volts or less. This includes systems for data, voice, and video communications. Unlike traditional high-voltage wiring, low-voltage systems are safer, easier to install, and more cost-effective. They are ideal for powering devices like security cameras, telephones, and network equipment without the risk of electrical shock. Structured cabling is a standardized approach to cabling that supports multiple hardware uses. Here are some key benefits. Enhanced performance. Structured cabling ensures consistent performance across all devices, reducing downtime and errors. Scalability. As your business grows, structured cabling allows for easy expansion without the need for a complete overhaul. Cost effectiveness. Installation and maintenance costs are lower with structured cabling, making it a smart investment for any business. Safety is a significant advantage of low-voltage systems. They pose minimal risk of electrical fires and shocks, making them safer for your employees and equipment. Additionally, low-voltage wiring is less prone to interference, ensuring reliable communication and data transfer. Investing in low-voltage and structured cabling is a step towards future-proofing your business. With the rapid advancement of technology, having a robust cabling infrastructure will support new applications and devices, keeping you ahead of the competition. In summary, low-voltage wiring and structured cabling are essential for enhancing safety, performance, and scalability in your business. By investing in these systems, you're not just improving your current operations but also preparing for future growth. Ready to upgrade your business infrastructure? Blue Ridge Technology now offers low-voltage wiring and structured cabling services to help you stay connected and competitive. Contact us today to learn more.